Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh has announced the formation of a high-level committee to look into the unprecedented bomb attack in Koutruk village by Kuki militants using numerous high-tech weaponized drones, which left one woman dead and several others injured, including police personnel and media person. According to an official familiar with the matter, the committee has been assigned to critically examine and study the drones deployed by these militants, including collection of all relevant evidence, specifications of the drones used and how to effectively encounter such drone. Additional DGP Intelligence Ashutosh Kumar Sinha of Manipur Police will be chairman of the committee. The other committee members include GOC 57 Mountain Division Major General S.S. Kartikeya, Inspector General Assam Rifle Salt Major General Ravroop Singh, Inspector General CRPF Manipur and Nagaland Sector Bipul Kumar, and Deputy Inspector General SHQ BSF CI Ops J.K. Birdi. The committee has the authority to co-opt technical experts as deemed necessary to aid in the investigation and submit its report to the office of the DGP Manipur by September 13th.